friends, welcome to the Magical Literature. You are watching a streamer series for beginners. In previous video we have seen heading text and paragraph text. Okay, today we will see some more text which are known as P tags and strong and IEM mark and small deals and substance. Okay, now we'll see one by one what are these texts used for. Okay, so open your sublime text. Where is sublime text? Here it is, and this and take a title page. I'm giving this title page, and in a body tag you will see P tag. Okay, now write P and push this and type some text. I'm typing magical literature, name of my channel, magical literature. Okay, so save it, and for seeing the result, open your browser. I am using short keys or plus tab in the browser. Okay, you can see this. The magical literature is in Hungary, so you cannot find any difference. Okay, I will show you. I think it's simple magical literature, and we have used P tag enough. Okay, so you see the result. What are the result? Now you can see the difference. Okay, so it is written in a bold and it is a simple text. Okay, so P tag is used for writing a bold text. Now we will see strong text. Okay, when you are this tag is used for breaking a line. Okay, so remove this line. Strong tag. We are using strong tag now. Strong tag. Enter it. Paste it. Seeing the result on your browser or touch tab. Shortly. Or this are similar. Okay, strong tag and bold tags are similar, but strong tags are used for important text and B tag is for bold text, but they are similar. You can use anyone. And this BR tag used for breaking the line. You can see it. Okay. Now we will see the third tag, I tag. What is I tag? I will show you. Enter, I enter, paste it, save it, Control plus S, or plus tab, box, your browser and refresh your page, and you can see this is written in italic. So I tag is used for writing a text in an italic form. Okay, and breaking the line, wanted to break a line. We also for breaking the line, enter. Now touch tab. Now we look at italic tag. Now what is a plain tag? Save or tab, going to our browser and refresh our page. You can see this. This is also same as I tag. So EM and I tags are same, but I is used for italic text and EM is used for emphasis text. Both are same. You can use anyone. One thing you can notice that BR have not closing tag. Okay, some tags in the HTML have only a opening text. Okay, next, mark tag. What is mark tag? Right, one bracket, mark, enter, and Control plus P, paste, Control plus S, save. Open your browser, and short key is Alt plus tab, Firefox, refresh your page, and you can see magical literature is written in a highlight format. So mark tag is used for highlighting a text. Okay. Now we will see our next tag, which is small. Now write H1 tag. First of all, write strong. Okay. Small is tag. Enter it and magical literature. See, yes, save. Tab on your browser. not find any difference. Okay, I will show you what is the difference. First, I will put this here as a tag. Now, I write h1 tag to show you the difference. Paste it on here. H1 tag is used and a small tag is used. So, you see the result. Open your browser and press the page. Now you can see this. It is a h1 tag and it is a small tag. Okay, small tag is used for writing a small text. Write the media tag for text tag. Now we'll see our DEL. What is DEL? Okay, so DEL. Whenever you edit your page, don't forget to save if you want to see result. If you don't save, then the result will not see. Okay, now open your browser and press it. Now you can see the text is showing in a deleted page. Okay, so DL is used for deleting text. Okay, you have seen in the web pages, many web pages they are used. Now on first step, we will see the next tag over INS. What is INS? Okay, right. First you break your line break. Okay, INS. Enter. Control plus V. Paste. Control S. Save. So Alt plus tab. Short plus please. Or refresh your page. Now you can see magical written is under a line. Okay, so it is an underlined text. INS is used for underlining a text. It is also called as inserted text. Now we'll see SUB, subscript text. What is subscript text? Okay. Okay. Now I am using h1 tag first. H1 enter. In h1 tag, I am writing 1 to 12 and after 12 I am using subscript text. Okay, subscript text. So in subscript text I am writing th. Before 12 and th I am writing I am studying. Okay, now for seeing the result, open your browser. First of all, save your page and then open your browser. Okay, let's see the result. I am studying. Okay, it is a super subscript text. Okay, right and long format. Superscript text is here. Okay, one plus 10. This is the result. Okay, it is a correct format. I am studying in 12. So 12 and th. So for writing this format, L. So superscript text is used for uploading. Okay, now we see subscript text. How subscript text are used. We have seen what is subscript text. Now we see how it is used. So write h1 text. In h1 text, write I'm taking example water. So water water, and then I am writing a superscript subscript text sub enter. In both subscript I am taking a bracket here and here closing bracket. Superscript subscript text I am using date here h and superscript and here and save it. For seeing the result, open your browser and refresh your page and you will see water is a formula written. Okay, for this format in here h is written down to h. Okay, so for this format you will use superscript text. Okay, so you have seen all the single tags of HTML. Okay, so practice it fully, and in In the next video, we will see what is style tag, how to use style tags in our HTML. I have seen many tags of HTML. Practice is fully, and then in the next video, we will see what are these style tags. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and hit the like button if you like enjoying these videos, and press the bell icon to get the latest update, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.